Lux Creo's 3D printed AiFeet is a category of its own. For those who walk or exercise, the insole plays an important role in protecting their foot health. To distribute force evenly across the foot and reduce fatigue, Lux Creo's AiFeet optimized the insole with a revolutionary high-energy return elastic material and specifically designed lattice structure with a optimized firmness for different regions of the foot. AiFeet achieves optimal pressure distribution across the foot for best comfort. This is achieved by a biomechanical AI algorithm based on the unique biostats of each individual. AiFeet's lattice structure drastically reduces humidity with unmatched breathability. Each step on the lattice creates a dynamic airflow that drives out humidity and accumulation of sweat in the shoes, keeping foot dry no matter how long you wear the shoes. AiFeet is also easy to clean. Just rinse them with water, shake it to dry, and they're ready to wear.
Everyone deserves a pair of customized AiFeet. Simply download our LuxCare app on the iPhone, scan your feet, and place an order from your couch. Our system will automatically generate your very own insole designed to the measurements of your feet, optimizing the lattice structure for best comfort, and submit to the closest smart factory for on-demand production. AiFeet uses Lux Creo's insanely fast 3D print and lift technology and the world-leading high-performance elastic material to materialize the production dream of on-demand customized insole in one piece. AiFeet wasn't created overnight. We strive for perfection in every step from model design, material selection, software development, printing innovation to a fully automated smart factory operation. It is not easy, but it's all worth it when we receive the thank you notes from thousands of users like you. Every step a user takes with AiFeet is a confirmation of our commitment to excellence. We are looking forward to bringing you more joy and comfort to you. Go out to explore the world.